Hey there, I'm Jhay, and welcome to my channel. If you're eager to know how to recharge Mobile Legends diamonds using CODASHOP, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this exciting journey together. First, open your CODASHOP if you do not have this app. Just click on your browser and search for CODASHOP. Click on your CODASHOP account if you have balance to top up. If you don't have, just simply top up using Cash or PayMaya or any available payment method. As you can see, I have 12.50 pesos in my CODASHOP account, and I just need to top up 10 pesos Mobile Legend diamonds. Enter your mlbb and zone ID. Choose the amount you want to recharge. Select your desired payment method. I chose CODASHOP. Click Buy Now. Confirm and go to Payment. Wait for the OTP to be sent to your CODASHOP registered contact. Done. That is how you will recharge ML diamonds using CODASHOP.
RJ tutorials.